Meaning of 40 winks.
40 winks.
40 winks.
40 winks.
40 winks. 40 winks means a short nap or a brief sleep. It is an idiom used to refer to a quick rest, usually during the day. The phrase originated in the 19th century and has since been commonly used to describe a brief shut-eye. Taking a 40 winks can be rejuvenating and help improve productivity, but it is important not to sleep for too long, as it can disrupt the sleep pattern and cause lethargy. Overall, 40 winks can help refresh the mind and boost energy levels in a short amount of time.